If you'd like to know how to dye wool with Kool-Aid, stay tuned to keep watching the video. Buy some Kool-Aid packets in whatever colors you'd like. Keep in mind that the color of the dye will be the color of the drink on the package. You can use bottles or cups. I got some 8-ounce squeeze bottles on Amazon. I pour 3 packets into the 8-ounce bottle and fill the bottle with water. Give it a shake to make sure it's mixed and then label your bottles so you know what color they are. Next, you're going to want to thoroughly soak your wool. This ensures that the color is evenly dispersed. It also makes sure there aren't any issues with your wool burning when you heat it to set the color. Next, you're going to want to line a microwave-safe dish with plastic wrap. I like to use a glass casserole dish, but I've also seen people just use Tupperware. Either will work as long as it's large and can accommodate your wool. Now's the fun part. Get your bottles or your cups and start pouring it over your wool in whatever color combination you would like. Keep in mind some colors flow better into others, like blue going into green, pinks going into yellow, which can create some oranges. Just get creative and have fun. You may want to lift the wool and make sure you get underneath or in between the fibers. Also press gently, and that will also help disperse your color. Next, you're going to want to cover the top with plastic wrap. Press down, make sure you get as much air out of it as you can, and make a nice snug little package. Then you're going to want to microwave it for 1-minute intervals until you see the color run clear. I believe this one took about 2 minutes. Then you're going to want to make sure it's completely cool and gently press the water out of the roving. You want to be very gentle with this as you don't want to felt it and you want it to remain soft. You can press it in a towel or roll it up in a towel. That's a great way to get out some of the additional moisture. After I get out as much moisture as I can, I will then hang it on a hanger. If it's a nice day outside, I will hang it outside to dry a little more quickly, or you can keep it inside. It may take a day or two to fully dry. Here's another color combo that I did just so you can see some options. And once you're done, you can do as you would do with it. Roll it for storage. You can braid it, or just take it right on over to use for spinning, felting, or other crafts like tapestries and weaving. This is a great craft for kids, but is also a wonderful option for dyeing for adults because this is a food-safe alternative to some of the acid dyes that may be out there, and you can get some bright and beautiful colors. Thanks for watching. Follow Humphrey's Handmade if you'd like to see more cool videos like this.